If you love fresh, crunchy bread but don't know how to make it, then this focaccia recipe is for you. All you're going to need is 2.5 cups of lukewarm water, 7 grams of yeast, and 2 tablespoons of honey. You'll give it a quick mix and then set it aside for 5 minutes. In a separate bowl, you'll add 5 cups of white flour and 2 teaspoons of salt before giving it a mix and then adding the mixture from the first bowl. This was the bowl with the yeast mixture. Once it's formed a nice dough, you'll then get a third bowl, add some extra virgin olive oil, transfer the dough and coat it nicely in the oil before covering and leaving in the fridge for 24 hours. By this time, the dough should have risen and be nice and bubbly. For this next step, we'll then be taking each edge of the dough and folding it over to deflate it and form it into a nice ball. Then you can transfer the dough into a lightly oiled baking tray and give it a nice stretch until it fills out most of the baking tray. Set it aside in a warm spot to rise for another 4 hours. Now the dough should be nice and jiggly and ready for dimpling, which is the best step in my opinion. To do this, you'll take your fingers and dimple throughout the dough. Now you can add whatever toppings you desire. Here I've added some fresh garlic cloves, some extra virgin olive oil, fresh rosemary, cracked salt, and some shaved parmesan cheese. You can add whatever toppings you like in this step. I really want to try olives or even other herbs and spices to give it a different flavour. That's totally up to you. Then you'll bake it at 200 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes until it's nice, golden and crispy on top. Then after it's cooled down a little, you can slice it and eat it however you like. Here I've got it with some extra virgin olive oil and balsamic vinegar. This goes so well with freshly baked bread. If you have any other flavour combinations for focaccia, I'd love to hear in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more yummy recipes and dietitian advice. See you next time.